if you're like me and you have a 2012 BMW X5 and you're getting terminal 87 issue or code, this is going to be your culprit right here. So what you need to do is you need to heat up the side and take a razor blade and a knife and cut in to this side so you can open it up. Once you open it up, you're going to be able to get this out. All right, and then after you get this out, it's going to be this fuse right here. So this 20 amp, let's get this guy to come on out. And as you can see, that one is blown. All the rest of them are good, other than this 20 amp. I'm going to replace it, and then I will show you guys how it looks when it's all sealed up. Just like that, this is the finished product. So I ended up RTVing this back plate first, and then putting it on, and then smoothing out the excess on the sides, and actually adding a little bit more just so it could seal it up, because this is going to be outside of the car. But yeah, just like that, save yourself $600. Don't waste your money, just fix it yourself. It takes a little bit of time, but I mean, time is better than wasting money.